This is ridiculous. This is madness. This is not normal. Why would people do this? It's insanity. Okay. Came to a flower show. I didn't really think I was gonna come here and buy anything. I don't know. I haven't really been into my plants. Walking around, like I was really excited. I want all the plants. I really do. I can't have them all. I don't know. I also feel like extremely guilty because I have so many. I've killed so many. It's just like, so bad. Ran into Steven from Plant Daddy podcast. I know I don't talk about him, but he is so sweet. You guys should definitely check him out. Him and Matthew do a really great job, and we're all just trying, you know? Went to the plant farm, and I didn't really think I was gonna buy anything, but here we are. $500 later. What did I do? Without further ado, let's introduce you to my Hoyas. I don't know if I'm $500 happy. Dan's like, you better be. So this was the Hoya Saraca Pink. I don't know. It's just one of the ones that I've always wanted. And here it is. doing a plant show here, right here on the floor. Because I'm excited. It's so gorgeous. Just really happy about that. Like, I don't know, Jess has like kind of influenced me to really, you know, appreciate the bigger leaf Hoyas more. They're really cool. I'm so obsessed with everything. I want all the plants. All the plants. This is the Daikii. So cute. And you know what? Honestly, that's not terrible. I've seen so much for so much worse. Like 2 times as much. It's unbelievable. Okay. This is obviously a basic. But you know what? I thought I'd give it a try. One of our plant friends, Monica, likes this one. Maybe I'll grow her a cutting. And then here is another giant leaf. Latifolia. It's a little bit, the leaf is a little beat up, but look at this amazing stem. You always want to buy a Hoya that has a new stem pointing. That's how I picked this one. You guys see? Okay, there we go. Yeah, you always want a new, nice stem. It's okay if the leaves are, you know, dried a little. They're gonna suffer a bit. And that's, you know, cosmetic, it's fine. The most unhealthy one that I got was actually this dude. Like, none of them were super happy. And this one, even though it has a grow point, I'm gonna have to like give it, like baby it and give it extra care. This, I already have this plant, but mine's just like growing so slow. Sometimes you just need a restart, you know? $50 restart. It's like a tank of gas, it's not that bad. Alright. And then last but not least, this is one that I've been wanting for a long time. What is it? Endunisis? So cute. It was crazy. They had like drawers and drawers of Hoyas. And I just kept opening them all. They're so, okay. So this one I obviously did not need. I don't need any more plants, seriously. But this guy is so cute. Look at the lobes. It's the Tahiti. It's a philodendron. I was talking to him like a minute yet. What species is it? Or is this what cultivar? Oh wait, shit. I messed up. Anyway, Tahiti. So cute.
absolutely love this.
Look at the lobes. So many lobes, guys. That is it. I'm gonna go and try to enjoy the rest of the show. And I guess I'll see you guys next week. Happy watching.